NGO I'm talking about. It's a functional NGO na developmental.
Okay. So, you are already existing now.
Nakikita ko na pa-function na kaya.
We are now existing.
Sabi ko,
for almost 3 months.
Start.
We are already...
Basta credible ang NGO nyo, ganda accounting nyo, ganda system.
Hindi pa kita mo yun.
Everybody will be
helping. Naka-ano na kami ng pinag-ano na ni Boss sa...
Transparent and funny. And that will be millions, billions. Eventually, you will manage once. Kasi, kikita ko sa NGO na gagawin pa. To be a functional NGO, talagang kakasal. That's democracy. That's still democracy. The functional democracy is like Australia and the States. Functional na lang.
Di kami Tess Rayala, si Alex, Raiko, and MPDO bukas. Propose niya sa interland fishing dito sa 5 coastal barangays and also the livelihood program ng barangays, which is the native chickens. Sanggan sa mga programs na pinagsusunuran mo na pwede mangyari via NGO from LGU. In fact, involved with sa interland fishing.
Fish, 1999.
So, we na kinami yung politics.
No, we can, because we have the people.
Oo, but maraming politics.
If you take hold of the people, you actually hold the politics. Kasi simple.
Tao lang naman ang ano eh.
Politics are not the politicians. It's a wrong notion. Ang politics, it's the president, the congressman, siguro. No, it's the people.
The people itself.
People-based yan ako, people-based. If you can manage the people through economic tayo,
sige.
We'll tell the people, this is the person that should.
I have the control.
Tapos yung upo naman, you follow us kasi ito ka. Naka-program na yun. Kailangan namin din, ito na livelihood. Magkano? Naka-compute na eh. Anong kailangan? Education. Scholarship. Anong gusto niya? Ano pa? Health. Yan, hospital. So yung kaya mo yung OSIS should dream of was medical school. Kasi si bukan graduate sa medical school, medyo inilastikan nila. Local road. Maglagay mo pa ng hospital. Anong nagaganda ang demand. So wala na rin.
Kung anong mangyari, ang buhay pa tayo.
No, if hindi natin ma-finish at the swim start, the idea. Putang na idea na nagpa-function na pag-alis natin.
So, eventually, we need more NGOs. Bukod sa nasuangko. We wish na Super Porowas, Ibisowas based. Ang ganun makapag-participate siya ready. Hindi sa mga program sa galing luwas mo na.
This will be the foundation documents. Magiging historical data to eh. We started like sa bahay.
Bahay ni Tess Rayala, Bong Rayala si Chodan.
History, we drive taking the pictures.
Wow!
Yung historical data, di ba? It's the truth, yung truth eh. Ganun lang naman.
Proposal pa lang naman to. Proposal pa lang.
Oh, I think it really.
But then again, kayo na communications letter nga nito sa DNR, and that will be the start. Yes.
Start na ako na.
And the good news, can funding sa LGU.
36M ang pinoprogram mo.
Then he has 36M for livelihood program. Can mo manage sa kanto? There you go. Yes.
Pwede rin ako. Wala ko lang yayaman.